Hi, this is Clint with the Zeitgeist movement, and today I would like to talk a little bit about social behavior. Social behavior is not an inborn thing. In other words, you're not just born that way. So, what we really need to look at is the environment. And the environment shapes a person's values, the way they might speak, their facial expressions, pretty much everything in relation to human behavior. Now, if you're to go to another country, let's say Germany, you're gonna have the same set of values as a person from Germany. You're gonna have the same cultural background and the same facial expressions, eye contact, anything that's pretty much related to that culture, you're gonna pick up from that culture. That is, if you were born in that culture and raised from a little baby up to an adult. Now, if you were born in Germany and lived there for 10 years and then moved to France and spent the rest of your childhood in France, you would speak with a German French accent. So, social behavior is actually a reflection of the culture in which you're brought up. Another example would be if you were born in the deep south, you would speak with a southern accent. You couldn't go up to somebody who was southern and ask them to speak with a northern accent because they couldn't. It's outside of their context. Um, so when we look at, say, let's say a Gandhi baby and a Hitler baby, there's really no difference between the two. In other words, we want to focus on what are the environmental factors that led up to them doing what they did. In other words, Gandhi was very much for human social aspects, and Hitler was obviously not. The two seemed like it might have been an inborn thing, but obviously it's not because if you look at the certain circumstances that led up to that, it was obviously the environment that influenced them to get to be how they were. So, environment pretty much shapes most of everything. Uh, as far as if genetics are concerned, I would have to say that the color of your eyes, you know, color of your hair, how tall you're gonna be, um, your blood type, those those sort of things are definitely genetic. However, human behavior is definitely learned from the environment. Um, so that's pretty much all I have to say about human behavior for right now. And if you would like to know a little bit more, just visit the website. Website's www.thezeitgeistmovement.com or www.thevenusproject.com. I didn't go over very much in this video as far as human behavior is concerned, but there's so many questions and answers on these websites that whatever I didn't cover, you should easily be able to find on these websites. And I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informational. Thank you.